welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Martin guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. But before moving to the topic, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. As the video title is suggested, today's topic is regarding the SCI form fill up, and definitely we will discuss about that. But before that, I would like to tell you that the Shipping Corporation of India does not conduct any kind of entrance examinations. First thing, keep it in your mind that you don't need to apply for any examination. Just your IMCT rank has to be very good, then you will be selected for this SCI. Okay, now there is 40 seats, so definitely it is highly recommendable to get a good IMCT rank. I think it will be around maybe within 100. That will be good for you to get selected, right? And another thing is that I would like to be very clear, this examination or this admission is only for the DNS sponsorship candidate who are going for the IMCET and 1 year DNS course. That MTI is for that purpose only, who are pursuing their course BSc 3rd year, even though not for the marine engineers. Because last week I made a video regarding the MSc. If you haven't watched that video, you can go to the I button and you can obviously watch that video regarding the MSc sponsorship. On that comment section I have got several questions like I am pursuing 3rd year and all. So please guys, make me very clear that this examination for only those candidates who are going to join Maritime Training Institute for the DNS, only DNS, because in BSc Marine Engineering there is no sponsorship. Okay, so this part is clear. So now the date of the form filling up already started from today onwards, and it will be going until the 30th of August. Means 30th of August means you will get another 45 days or 1.5 months. I think the SCI was waiting for the CBSE result has to be declared. So yesterday only the CBSE results has been declared, class 12. That is why they are opted for the forms. Okay, now we'll move to the form, but before that, the fees for the general category is 1000 rupees for filling up this form, and for the SC and ST category that is 700 rupees. I think that part is clear. Now we'll move to my laptop screen and we'll see each and every aspect regarding the SCI examination 2020. Okay, so this is the official website of Shipping Corporation of India, www.shipindia.com. This link will be provided in the description below. You can check it out from that. Now after redirect to this website, you have to go to the Maritime Training, then you go course and DNS leading to BSc Nautical Science, means DNS course. Okay, now you can see this form is for October 2020, what usually used to be August 2020, but due to this pandemic the course schedule has been postponed, or course commencement has been postponed. Okay, so now we'll see some critical aspects of this. Now course fee is 6,50,000. obviously it's in the higher side for 1 year, but that is fine. And duration, as you know, the 12 months. How to apply I'll show you a little bit later on. Just to see some dates and important notification regarding this first. Now last date of IMCET you can see that is 3rd of August 2020 application, and last date for SCI is 30th August 2020. So you have at least 45 days from today, so you have plenty time, but try to fill up the form as soon as possible. So now last date of IMCET application is 3rd of August 2020, and SCI already told. Now scan, copy some documents you need to send to them in their email ID. The email ID I'll tell you little bit later on. So that is the last date of the document sending. Date of CET exam, that is fine. Course commitment 1st of October 2020. Okay, these are the documents you can see: 10-12 mark sheet, your college or school leaving certificates, copy of IMO registration slip, scan photographs, signature. And the documents requirement also be mentioned over here, that documents must be below 5 MB. Now we'll see some flow chart. First we have to do the IMO registration, then SCI MTI registration. Then what you have to do is complete SCI online application self-attested scan copy. Now you can see this is the email ID that you have to send your all the scan copy documents with self-attested to this email ID. Hall tickets you need to print out, appear for IMUCET. IMUCET result have to check, and then SCI website you can check your results. Now candidates having their name published SCI merit list on SCI website have reported Maritime Training Institute. Okay, so admission process is over. This is the complete flow chart you can see. Now qualification I will not discuss. I have discussed several times that 10+2 PCM 60% and all. Now you can read it out by yourself. Age limit is 25 years. It should not be more than 25 years of age, but for the SC and ST candidates there is 5 years of relaxation, or you can say, you know what, that is 30 years. Up to 30 years you have to be below 30 years to apply if you are coming under SC or ST category candidates, right? Now medical standard 6/6, minimum height should be 157 centimeter, and the BMI is not mentioned, I don't know, but anything okay, fine. Proportional to height and age, meaning yeah, BMI is there. I think 19 to 25 will be the BMI. So hearing normal, okay, that is fine. Medical standards. Now onboard training, as you know, the 12 months of course DNS, afterwards 18 months of onboard training for SSTP and all. Okay, now refund policy is here. You can read by yourself that 2 weeks prior start to the course, either 10,000 or 10% of the course fee, whichever is less. Within 2 weeks prior to the start of the course, 50% of the course fees will be deducted. After start of the course, not eligible to refund. No refund will be given. Okay, you can read by yourself. I will not elongate this more. Another thing, there is only 40 seats. Okay, so you have to be very good at IMUCET. Now apply. How to apply? Just click apply at MTI. If you click on apply at IMU, you can directly be directed to the IMU website, and for that you can apply your IMU application also. So this is the form, okay, for SCI IMU registration number. First you have to do is the register yourself for the IMUCET. Until unless you register yourself for IMUCET, you cannot apply over here. So this is the thing, you need to put your personal information regarding your first name, middle name, last name, your father's mother's name, your date of birth, place of birth, your gender, marital status, your address, your permanent address obviously, definitely, and your contact number, your email ID, everything will be given. Now if your class 12 result is out, definitely now class 12 result has been out, especially CBSE. I think SCI was waiting for that only, that CBSE results, and only yesterday only the CBSE result has been published. So you can see that things, the 10 result have to put, and then your IMU registration Aadhaar number, your appeared any STS selection previous also, means if you have appeared for IMUCET or SCI previous year also, then also you can fill it up. Then your declaration you take and apply for the MTI, and keep the thing in your mind, you have to send some certain documents which I have already mentioned previously in the video, that you need to send those documents in a PDF format or scan format, but the document size should be less than 5 MB. okay, and the last date is 30th of August. Before that you have to complete all the procedure regarding the sending all the documents in the mentioned email ID. So I think this part is clear and you have understood all the things regarding the SCI MTI application. Thank you. So I think video has been already too long. I will not elongate this video much. So some doubts definitely will be there. You can let me know in the comment section, but at least ask some doubts which are relevant, because most of the doubt I have cleared. So okay, that's not an issue. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.